Hey there, future hospitality gurus. Ever wonder how to get inside your customers' heads? Questionnaires are your secret weapon. Think of them like those personality quizzes we all secretly love, but for serious business insights. They're simply a list of questions designed to gather information. Easy peasy, right? What's cool is that you can tailor them to uncover exactly what you need to know. Want to know if guests enjoyed their stay? Boom! Questionnaire. Need feedback on your new menu? Questionnaire to the rescue. Let's talk question types. It's like picking the right dance move. It all depends on the vibe you're going for. Open-ended questions are like freestyle dancing, giving people the floor to express themselves freely. Multiple choice is more like line dancing, structured, with specific options to choose from. Both have their perks. Then you've got rating scales, those trusty sliding scales that let people rate things from me to mind-blowing. They're great for gauging satisfaction levels. Imagine you're running a trendy new cafe. You could use a questionnaire to see what customers think of your avocado toast, because priorities. You could ask, on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend our avocado toast to a friend? That's a classic satisfaction question right there. You could also ask open-ended questions like, what did you love most about our cafe ambiance? This gives you valuable feedback for improvement. Now for the slightly nerdy but super important stuff, measurement scales. These are like different rulers for measuring your data. Nominal scales are for categories like gender or room type. Ordinal scales rank things in order. Think first, second, third. Interval scales measure differences between values, like temperature, and ratio scales have a true 0 point, like height or weight. Then we have variables, which are basically anything you're measuring, like customer satisfaction or the number of guests who booked through your website. Understanding these concepts helps you analyze your data like a pro and make informed decisions. Remember, research design is key. It's like having a solid game plan before hitting the dance floor. It ensures you're collecting the right data in the right way.